When I first get to camp, I sit down, and once Meadow and Carla get into the room, Jaden announces the first activity. Jaden has assigned us graffiti art, but right now I'm working on a band of cats, each playing a different instrument. This is my first year in the 11 to 14 class, or otherwise known as the seniors. And some of my friends from last year also graduated with me to the seniors class. We leave the front entrance of PAFA and go and walk next door to the other building. We take the elevator to the 11th floor, and then we sit down and eat lunch. In the last hour of the day, we have free time and we can draw or catch up, do anything we want.
My favorite part is seeing all the different artworks that the campers make. It's all so unique and really a reflection of who they are.
I love seeing their creativity, and they all make such different work, and their creativity then inspires us to create our own